Hello everyone, welcome to my course which is titled RabbitMQ and AWS Amazon Web Service. Simple queuing service, short form SQS with Spring Boot microservices. As you know, Spring Boot as a platform is getting more popular by the days, and microservices, of course, last 8-9 years microservices paradigm has caught our attention. So let's see a little bit why this course could be the one you might be looking for. So this is what I cover in this course. First, it is all the Spring applications are using Spring Boot 2.x, 2.1 point something, somewhere it is 2.0.5, but all are using Spring Boot 2. Spring Boot 2 offers more features than Spring Boot 1, of course. Then we cover service discovery. Service discovery is something that is a core part of the microservice ecosystem, and then we go on to remote configuration. That is another core part of the microservice ecosystem. Without covering at least these two, we cannot move along the microservice paradigm. Then we develop a couple of applications, a producer or publisher and a consumer, that will demonstrate RabbitMQ point-to-point publisher consumer applications or paradigm architecture. Third, we developed 3 applications, one producer and 2 consumers, to demonstrate RabbitMQ FANOUT. Like, what happens in FANOUT? You send your publisher send one message, and that message is sent to all the consumers. There can be more consumers. That's what we will demonstrate. In messaging architecture, these two are very common. That I want to send a message to a single consumer, and I want to send a message to a multiple consumer, and that's what we will demonstrate. Then we'll move on to covering AWS concepts and what is cloud, without breaking the ice of what is cloud and what is AWS, what does it offer to us. We cannot make a lot of progress. And then this is common to any AWS course, networking, CIDR, classless interdomain routing. Without understanding CIDR, we will not make any progress, make justice to understanding AWS networking. And AWS networking is the foundation of understanding and doing well in AWS. So we'll cover that. And then we will cover AWS EC2, which is how to create a VM within Amazon Web Service. And as our application uses relational database, we will demonstrate how to create an AWS MySQL RDS. And finally, we will move on to the last AWS environment object we need, which is a simple queuing service queue. And once all this is done, we will show you how to develop Spring Cloud, Spring Boot Cloud AWS producer consumer. As I said, there will be 3 consumers, right? One producer and 2 consumers. So that's the overview of what we are covering in the course. And then moving ahead, I already have a couple of courses in the Udemy platform. This is the reviews for the first course. As you can see, students are reviewing me not bad. This is the next one, pretty good as well. Two existing courses that cover microservices in real depth, and then one is one I released in 2017, another last year. These are the later one covered Spring Boot 2, the earlier one covered Spring Boot 1, and then a few other things. And this is obviously this is a promo video. I cannot to keep talking in detail, but I promise I will do that inside the course. This is the architecture that we are using for point-to-point demonstration. And then this is the architecture for FANOUT. As you can see, there are multiple consumers on the right hand side. One is account receivable, another is fulfillment. So that's what we will demonstrate in the FANOUT architecture. And then moving on, this is what we are doing for AWS. We will show you how to create this AWS architecture diagram, not just architecture diagram, actual AWS environment. You can see that we are running our to-do publisher and to-do consumer in the single AWS EC2 instance that is covered by a security group, availability zone. We will tell you what a security group is, what an availability zone is, how does VPC subnet works, what is NACL, and we will define a lot of AWS definitions for you to understand, right? And finally, this is a little bit about me. I am Beneath Data. I am a Java enterprise architect, over 24 years of experience. I am AWS certified solution architect professional. This is one of the highest AWS professional certificate one can achieve. I am your instructor. As I said, I have over 24 years of experience in various business verticals from Fortune 500 companies. So with all that, I would seek your leave, and I hope you will buy my course, and we will see you in the inside the course videos. Thanks for listening. Have a good day, and bye. Thank you. Bye.